Hey, welcome to the Gigglepin Winch Workshops. We're here today to talk about this. This is the Albright DC182. I first bumped into these about 13 years ago, but they didn't have a nice plastic casing back then. In fact, we had to put them in boxes to keep them waterproof. Thankfully, Albright cured that problem about 2 years ago and gave us this, and we've been testing them ever since. We've made a few small improvements on their original design, and that's what we're bringing to you. But why do we need these? Why do we need these bigger contactors when this, their little brother, has been doing so well for so many years? Well, quite simply put, you boys and girls out there are playing harder. That means that some of you are running up to 6 batteries to power these monster winches. That means that we need to be able to get that power into those motors more efficiently to upstep the XL Albright. But it's all very well having fantastic Albrights, but we also need bigger power bars as well. Now, our standard power bars are these chaps here. They're 15mm by 3mm, giving us a 45mm cross section, and are brilliant for almost all winching situations. But when we really want to step up our game and really get those amps into those motors fast, we need these. These are our Super Duty XL bars. They are 18mm by 4.5, which gives us a total of 81mm squared. That's nearly twice the size of our original power bars. Now check out this kit on here. This is a GP100 fitted with Bow Motor 2s with XL Albrights and our new Super Duty power bar kit. But pay careful attention to this. This is the main incoming brace bar or power bar. Okay, you'll notice we've got an M10 fixing on there so we can get those really big cables bolted down tight. You can put one to the bottom and one to the top if you require. That bar is also repeated underneath for the earth terminal. So let's check out the kit and what we get. This is a twin motor kit. It's available for the Bow Motor 2 and for the Bow Motor 2 Plus. Comes with all these bars here, with these rubber boots, and also with these stainless steel mounting brackets. So pop on over to gigglepinwinches.com and you'll be able to see these. They're available in twin motor and single motor applications. We'll catch up with you soon.